Hi everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. Today's video, I was making Swiss. Hi everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. Today's video is me making Swiss. Hi everyone, this is Saucy the traveling towboat. Oh my God. Alright, well we have a cube steak here, kosher salt and black pepper, flour, bacon grease. Yes, we're going to be using that for two separate items today. Paprika, whole oregano leaves, Worcestershire, beef broth, diced tomatoes, and tomato sauce. That tomato sauce is going to be used to make some tomato paste. We also have thinly sliced one full onion, and that was a huge onion, and 2 stalks of celery diced up. So let me get this started. Oh yeah, you need one of these as well. Hold on, let me get it out. You'll see it. There we go. Need one of those because we got to brown up those. Alright, let's get it started here. Okay, the first thing we do is it has to do with the kosher salt and the black pepper. You put in probably about, first off, about 3 cups of flour. No, I'm sorry, about 1.5 cups of flour. Now, so then you season it up with kosher salt. I would say probably about a tablespoon. And here we go with the powder. God bless it, I can't talk this morning. And I'd say about 1.5 tablespoons of pepper. You stir it up really good, mix it in really well. I got bacon grease in this oven. God, I really can't talk this morning. I only had 3 cups of coffee. Maybe I need more, but that was my limit, and it sounds like I need some more. Alright. Need some bacon grease in that skillet. Alright. It's all mixed up. So here we go. Let me get some gloves on real quick. I only need one. This is a one-handed deal. You dredge it in just to coat it. All you're going to do is just brown this. It wasn't hot enough. Of course not. That stovetop's. Oh no, there it goes. It's bubbling. Just want to brown it only. I'm going to do it this way. I got those rising, so I'm trying not to move too far off that stove. It's nice and warm there. So I got to move this up a little bit. This other pan ready to go. Brown just a little bit more. And let's get it on that side. Of course, my trusted Pam goes in here. There we go. I'll show you what they're supposed to look like brown. This is how they're supposed to look like on each side. It's okay if you got a little bit of red in it, because it will cook. Alright, I'm going to do this for the next 10, and then I'll get back with you and show you what to do next. Alright. Okay. Now we're going to make that tomato paste. Get some bacon grease, put it in the bottom. Have you ever done a roux? Well, that's what we're going to do. But we're going to do a bacon roux. Hold on, you're going to hear some loud noise. Forgot to open this up. I want to get that bacon grease nice and hot. Get out my whisk. Not yet. You're getting there. Ah, starting to bubble. There we go. I know. Do this in the cast iron. No, because I don't want to get too brown, because I'm doing a tomato base and make it into tomato paste. Yeah, a little more flour. Ah, there we go. A little bit more. I want to do this just enough to burn off the flour taste, bring through that bacon taste. Yeah. Ah, damn it. I know, it seems like I'm adding a lot of power. I think I added too much bacon grease. But that's alright. I can keep adding this till I make it just right. Now mind you, I may not use this whole can. I am making a paste, not a gravy. But this will help thicken up the beef broth that's going to be put in here. Put in this recipe. There we go. Alright, just only add a little bit. That should do it. Ah, yeah, here it comes. See, it's coming like a paste. Oh, look, a little bit more. There we go. Now you got yourself tomato paste. Perfect. It will loosen up more. It will loosen up more as we add the broth. Alright, let's get this party started and get the rest of the ingredients together and get it in the oven. Okay, we're going to be doing this pan first and then jump over to this pan, then this pan is going to go into this pan. Did you get that correct? If I get confused, let me know. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to spread out these onions. God, I love the smell of these onions. These are the Vidalias. Oh, they're so sweet. Since I am not kissing anybody on this boat, guess what I'm doing? I'm eating one. Oh God, good. Okay. Put the tomatoes on top. There we go. Alright. Let's switch over to this side. First thing we're going to do is 3 cups of beef broth. Okay. Half cup of Worcestershire. There's a quarter. There's a half. Hold on, gotta get that paste. Two tablespoons of the paste. Just a little bit more. There we go. Of course, I'm going to save that rest for later. Where's my whisk? Whisk those together real quick. Remember, this is going to thicken up with that homemade tomato paste. It's going to have that bacon flavor too. We all can't go wrong with bacon. Alright. Put in about a tablespoon and a half of oregano. And about a teaspoon and a half of paprika. Whisk that in again. We're good. Guess what? I also gotta add this into it. Yep. Celery. Almost forgot that. Like I said, I need another cup of coffee. I think I'll get me one. At least half a cup. Try to limit my caffeine intake. I just may make some decaf. That's an even better idea. Alright, pour it over. It should cover it pretty good. And it does. Alright, now I'm going to spread this tomato paste out a little bit so it can get a good thickening as it cooks. This is what it should look like before it goes in the oven. Alright, we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for approximately 1.5 to 2.5 hours. Depending on how tender you want to make these cube steaks are. I'll probably go between 2 and 2.5. And it's, at, like I said, at 350 degrees. So let's test it when it comes out of the oven. Be right back. Bonus. As I was putting that in the oven, guess what was coming out? I'm just going to butter to the top. Leave them in the pan. And later, right before lunch, I will take them out, put them in a cloth covered dish. In the meantime, I'm going to keep them warm above the stove, on the shelf above the stove. Alright. Don't they look good? God, I love the smell of yeast. Alright. See you back in a few. Alright, let's see what it looks like now. Be right back. Now, doesn't that look yummy? Oh my God, yes, it looks so tender too. Look at all that bubbling. That is, you can tell it thickened up right there. That's that homemade tomato paste. All right. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe by clicking on subscribe. Please get notifications by clicking on that bell. And, excuse me, thank you all for supporting this channel. Thank you for watching. You all have a wonderful day. Toodaloos and peace out. While I'm cooking, I'm coming by. Look at these little mini houseboats. How neat is that? I want one. Look at the size of them. That's just perfect. One even has like a little screened in area, I guess, for their dog. How neat is that? So when the river rises, so does her home. Look at that old boat. That is an old one.